Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
It is bedtime now.
Okay, Mom. I am sleepy.
Let's go to bed.
I like my pajamas. Me too.
They look cozy.
I feel comfy.
Brush your teeth.
Yes, Mom. I am brushing now.
Good job.
I washed my face. Me too.
Use water gently.
Okay, Mom.
Go to your room.
I am coming. Me too.
Quiet steps now.
My bed is soft. My pillow is big.
Arrange your blanket.
Done, Mom.
Turn off the light.
Okay. The room is dark.
Good for sleep.
I feel sleepy. Me too.
Time to sleep.
Yes, Mom. Tell a story.
A short one.
Yay.
Listen quietly. The story is over.
It was nice. I liked it.
Close your eyes. Good night, kids.
Good night, Mom. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
My eyes are heavy. Mine too.
That is good.
I will sleep now. The room is quiet. I like it.
No talking now.
Okay, Mom. I hug my teddy. I hug my pillow.
Sleep with love.
I feel happy. My blanket is warm. Mine too.
Stay covered.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Closed, Mom. Closed.
Breathe slowly.
I feel calm. Me too.
Think happy thoughts.
I will.
No more talking.
Sorry, Mom. I am quiet.
Good night.
I see dreams. Me too.
Sleep well.
Sweet dreams. The moon is bright. I can see it.
Moon says good night.
Good night, moon. I like stars. They shine.
Sleep under stars.
So nice.
Sleep deeply.
I am sleepy. Me too.
Rest well.
I breathe slowly, in and out. I am flying. In my dream.
Sweet dreams.
Thank you. It is silent. Very quiet.
Perfect for sleep.
Yes.
You are sleeping now.
Z, Z, Z. Z's.
Good children. Have a peaceful night.
Z, Z, Z. Z's.
Sleep tight.
It is late now. Z's. Z's.
All asleep. Tomorrow is a new day.
Z, Z, Z. Z's.
Good night.